Okay, I'm Weldon Paul P. Bautista, and in this code, we created a login panel for our Bobby's Barbershop appointment system creation tab. So, in this set of lines, we create a new J panel using the border layout manager with a 10 pixel gap between components. We also add a border around the panel with a 20 pixels of padding and set the background color to black. So, yan. Here as you can see, gumamit kami ng background color black at ang padding namin ay 20 pixels. Ang sumunod naman ay next we create a J-label to serve as the title of our login screen. Kung makita nyo naman, ang title ng ating login screen kanina ay Bobby Barbershop Appointment System. Okay, so we center the text and set the color to light gray and use the Bookman old style font with bold style and a size of 25. This label is then added to the top of our main panel. Okay, dito siya sa top ng ating main panel. Kita nyo naman kung ano yung lahat ating fonts and size. Next is we create another J panel for the center part of our layout using grid bag layout. So, inaalaw nito yung flexible positioning of mga components. The background color is set to dark slate gray. Okay, so dito naman sa J-label to center panel, ang ginagawa nito ay within the center panel, we add a label instructing the user to click login. So dito, parang i-click mo dito yung login. This label has a silver color and uses the elephant font with a plain style and size of 18. We position it at the top of the center panel using grid bag constraints. Yeah. The next ay ang grid bag constraints. Nag-prepare kami ng grid bag constraints for the login button. We set its position below the label, make it fill horizontally and add vertical path. Next is set of lines na ito. Dito, nag-create kami ng login button with the text login. So this button uses the Sitka text font with bold and italic styles and the size of 14. The background color is set to a light beige and its preferred size is 100 times 40 pixels. We add this button to the center of the panel using the previously defined grid bag. So yan. Ang sunod naman ay ang panel at ang ginagawa ng the center panel containing both the label and the login button. Nag-added to ng the main panel para ilagay sa center. So login button, add addition listener. So nag-add siya ng action lister to the login button. Ang ginagawa nito ay when the button is clicked, the action listener triggers and switches the displays to the menu panel using the card layout.show method. So ito, pag click natin yung login, mapupunta tayo sa menu panel. Then the return panel. So finally, fully construct na yung login panel and it is returned from the create login panel method. So babalik siya sa task dito. And pag nag-run siya, lalabas na puti. And that is all.
Good day, I'm Kyle Adrian Bagasbas and sa part na ito, i-explain ko sa inyo ang menu panel. Sa menu panel, makikita natin na meron tayong tatlong button dito, Start Appointment, View Appointments, and Logout. Sa Start Appointment, kapag kinlik natin ito, lilipat tayo sa Schedule panel kung saan pwede tayo mag-schedule ng appointment. So, kagaya nito. And sa view appointments naman, kapag kinlik natin ito, makikita natin lahat ng naka-schedule na appointments. So, ngayon wala pa tayong naka-schedule na appointments. So, kapag sa logout naman, kapag kinlik natin ito, dadalhin tayo nito sa login panel. So, paano nga ba gumagana yung code natin? So, nakita naman natin na meron tayo ditong tatlong button. Itong schedule button, view button, and logout button. Sa pagbuo ng ating schedule button, gumamit kami ng J button. That is schedule button equals new J button para makapaglagay tayo ng button na may label na itong start appointment. And para sa font naman ay gumamit kami ng schedule buttons that set font para magamit namin ang font na Lucida Calligraphy na may bold and size na 11. So para sa foreground, gumamit kami ng schedule button that set foreground. Sinet nito yung text ng ating button sa na maging black. And para naman sa background is gumamit kami ng schedule button that set background para mabigyan ng kulay ang aming background na turquoise o kulay sa RGB na may value na 0, 150, 0, 0, 153, and 153. So para na ganun din yung ginawa namin para sa view button and logout button. Ang kaibahan lang para sa logout button is gumamit kami sa foreground and background sa foreground gumamit kami ng white na color and sa background is gumamit kami ng red color. So gumamit din kami dito ng action listener para mag-monitor ng mga actions na nagaganap sa buttons tulad ng pag-click. Kapag na-click kasi yung isang button, magdaran ang method na nasa loob ng action perform. Sa schedule button, gumamit kami dito ng schedule button that add action listener. Naglalagay ito ng action listener sa schedule button para kapag na-click yung button is ipapakita ang schedule panel sa pamamagitan nitong card layout that show. So, para naman sa view button is gumamit kami ng view button that add action listener. So, ganun din, naglalagay din ng action listener dito sa view button para kapag na-click is mag-update muna ang appointment sa table gamit itong update appointment table, then saka ipapakita yung view appointment sa view appointment panel sa pamamagitan nitong card layout that show. So para sa login button naman is ganun din siya, logout button that add action listener. Naglalagay din ng action listener sa logout button para kapag na-click is ipapakita yung login panel sa pamamagitan nitong card layout that show. Yung parang ibabalik ka niya sa login kapag kinlik mo yung logout. So dahil sa action listener na ito, nagagawa nitong mag-trigger ng iba't ibang action sa tuwing nakiklik yung button sa ating application. So yun guys, that's it.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Emilio. I'm from first year BSIT 6 and I'll be the one to discuss the schedule panel sa aming barbershop appointment system Java programming sa course na OOP and OS. So let's get started na po. So J-panel, ito yun. So lahat ng yan is ayun yung i-discuss natin. So ayun, start na tayo. So J-panel, ito lang naman siya, yung puro block na yan, parang container lang siya nitong lahat. Then sunod is yung schedule appointment, kumbaga title lang ng panel natin. Then ito na yung font color, font size, and then yung placement niya dito sa panel natin. And then ayun, sumunod is itong panel na to. So ito siya, ayan. Then sumunod is itong type of haircut natin, yung J-label na type of haircut. So ayun siya, font color niya, ito siya, ayan. Then sumunod is mayroon tayo ditong string, and itong string to is nagko-contain siya ng mga haircuts na in-offer ng appointment system natin. And then sunod niya is may J-combo box siya, or para mas madaling intindihan, drop down box na lang, or drop down na lang ang itawag natin sa kanya, kasi para mas makomprehend natin ng ayos and ng mas madali. And then ayun nga, no, so sa J-combo box na yan, kapag pinindot natin siya sa GUI natin, lalabas lahat ng nasa string natin, yan, hanggang sa high and tight. So ang pinakaduling ng nito ay high and tight, so tama yung ano natin. Sunod is yung other services, yung font color niya is white, may string ulit tayo dito which is tatlo, hand shape and hair treatment, and then may drop down box ulit tayo. So ayan, magpapakita yung tatlo na services na in-offer ng appointment system natin. Moving on, type of hair treatment, same lang din. Type of hair treatment, color white, may drop down box, may string tayo dito which is non-conditioning and keratin. Non-conditioning and keratin. And then dito naman sa date. So sa date mayroon tayong dalawang drop down box. So sa dalawang drop down box mayroon tayong month and then number of days sa isang month. So from 1 to 30. So ayun. Moving on. Meron tayong time. Ayan. So sa J-label na time, ito siya. Ayun. And then a string ulit tayo dito. And then nagko-contain siya ng working hours ng isang barbero. So 8 AM to 8 PM, or pwede naman natin itong paikliin hanggang siguro 5 PM lang. Pwede naman yun. Pwede natin yun tanggalin. And then ayun. Ito yung font style, font size, and font color. Punta na tayo sa dito. Explain ko lang to. So, itong form panel.add na to is parang simplified version lang siya nitong lahat ng in-explain ko kanina sa taas. Dito sa loob ng J-panel. Actually, dito lang pala siya sa type of haircut, since yung form panel.add natin is hanggang haircut label lang. And then, ayun, punta na tayo dito sa J-button natin, which is pangalan siya na schedule, and ito schedule din yung button natin dito. And then ayun yung fonts, font style nya, bold, and then font size nya. And then ito yung ginagawa ng button natin. For once na nakapili na pala tayo ng type of haircut natin na gusto natin, which is kunwari ako gusto ko ng French cut. And then services, gusto ko ng shave since mahaba na yung balbas and bigote ko. And then type of hair treatment, huwag lang tayo maglayinan. And then month of June na tayo. And then let's say gusto ko magpagupit next kinabukasan, next day. So June 18 na, so June 19 ang ilalagay natin dito. And then let's say gusto natin patanghali tayo magpagupit, so 2 PM. And then ayun, pindutin natin yung button na schedule. So appointment scheduled successfully. So itong if else statement is lumabas yung kanina. So ayan, lumabas siya. And then nung lumabas siya, ang sabi appointment scheduled successfully, ibig sabihin itong mga pinaglalagay natin na to is mapupunta siya dito sa view appointment panel, which is yung isang kagrupo ko or yung other members ng group namin yung mag-explain sa susunod na part. So bago muna i-explain ng members ng kagrupo ko yung next part is may else statement tayo dito. So ang ginagawa ng else statement na to is kunwari is ito yung appointment ko, diba? So gagana lang tong else statement na to sa date and time. So sabi dito may lalabas siya. May lalabas dito na this date and time is already taken. Please choose another one. Then ayun, ito yung parang title nung panel na lalabas if ever na nakuha na yung June 19 and then 2 p.m. So if ever may bagong customer na dumating and gusto ng buzz cut, let's say, and then none, and then gusto niya na makeratin, and then hindi niya pinago kasi gusto niya patanghali din siya gupitan. So pindutin natin yung schedule button. So lalabas itong text na to, lalabas yan, which is it said this date and time slot is already taken, please choose another one. So yung June 19 2 p.m. is naka-schedule na for me, and then hindi na siya pwedeng i-schedule ng ibang user if ever na ayun nga mag-appoint sila dito sa barbershop appointment system na. So punta na tayo dito sa J button natin. So very easy lang naman to, ibabalik lang naman tayo nito sa ating menu panel. So thank you for listening to my part. Ayun, next part na tayo.
Hello, my name is Kurt Aquino, and this is the last part of our application, which is the creation of the view appointment page seen right here, the menu. First of all, this is the creation of the GUI or the graphics of the application. This one is for the border or the background. This one is for the title, seen right here, it's black, and this is the title, the appointment. This part right here is the creation of the table for the appointments. In this one in the middle. And to start with, this is the first button, which is the update button. This update is can be seen here. This updates the appointments created by first of all, it checks if there is an ID selected here. If there is no ID selected, it will say please select an appointment to update there. And if you choose one, let's say this one, and you can update it. The next one is the delete button. For this one, it's the same as the update button. It checks if you select an appointment to delete. If you do not select one, it will say please select an appointment to delete. And if once you select one right here, it will give a confirmation if whether you want to delete the appointment or not. The next one is the back button here. This one is just for going back to the menu. And the next one is the sort date by time. Sort by date and time. This this compares the dates and the times of the appointments and sorts them to the closest one. Let's say I put a 11 a.m. here schedule. You can see that 11 a.m. is much sooner than 2 p.m. So once we press this sort date and time, it will automatically sort it. The next one is the show appointment dialog. This one is for this function is for the update. This panel right here, you can select or you can choose the service you want and update it. Let's say you want this one and you want a different service, or you want to add a hair treatment and you want to change the appointment. That's fine. It will say appointment updated successfully. But if the date and time is already taken, it will say this date and time slot is already taken, please choose another one. For example, right here, update, let's say I will change this to 8 a.m. It will say, yeah, the date and time is already taken, please choose another one. This is the function for the to determine whether the date and time is available or not. This is the update this is where the updates this is where they get the updated selections and puts it in the table, puts it in the table. And lastly, this one, the appointment, this just gets the values of the identifiers such as the IDs, haircut, service, treatment, date and time, and basically just saves it. And that's it for our code.